I have to go to work tomorrow. So much stuff to do. It's just tomorrow's gotta go smoothly. Oh my god. The electric just did not go out. Oh my god, this can't be good. My alarm clock better go off tomorrow. Calling the electric company. Yeah, the power just went out in Huntington Valley. Do you know what time we'll be back on? 1 a.m.? Alright, thank you. 1 a.m. I don't know what I'm gonna do. My alarm clock better go off. What is it? 5 missed calls. Oh my god, it's 8:30. Oh my god, I'm late for work. Oh my god, the electric's still out. Oh my god. Oh my god. I have a voicemail. Alright, I guess I should listen to this. Looks like it's from my boss. Oh, great. Wonderful, he's yelling at me. 3rd time late. Great, I'm fired. Awesome. I need to relax. I think I should go take a walk. I'm gonna go take a walk. Like, oh my god, it just takes me away. Ah, it's so pretty. Wow.
Yes, officer? Do you know why I pulled you over today?
No.
No idea at all?
Nope.
No clue at all?
Nope.
Yeah, there's a stop sign over there, right?
Oh, there was?
There's actually 2 stop signs over there.
Oh.
Drove past through both of them. Right through both of them without even stopping.
Wow.
I don't think you even slowed down.
I don't think so. I was just like so taken in by nature and just smelled the flowers. Just wasn't focusing.
That's a terrible excuse. Right back, I'll write you a ticket. Alright. Be $150 for riding both stop signs. Alright? Make sure you pay attention next time. Nature's not an excuse. Have a good one. You too. Yeah, the tree. So, there's a lot of them here. You mean so? It's just a tree. It's not just a tree. It's not just a tree, Jackie. It's a beautiful piece of nature. Look at this. Beautiful. Do you not see this? Tree. It's not just a tree. You don't see what I see. You don't see it, do you? No way. deserve it. It's so nice in a natural state. It's beautiful.
If I was a flower growing wild and free, all I'd want is you to be my sweet honeybee. And if I was a tree growing tall and green, all I'd want is you to shade me and be my leaves.